Welcome to this video on liquidity pools. Today, we'll explore one of the most fundamental concepts in decentralized finance. Liquidity pools are the backbone that enables trading in the DeFi ecosystem. By the end of this video, you'll understand how they work and why they're so important for decentralized trading. So, what exactly are liquidity pools? A liquidity pool is a smart contract that holds pairs of tokens locked together in a single pool. These pools enable decentralized trading without relying on traditional order books or centralized exchanges. Instead of matching buyers with sellers, liquidity pools replace the entire order book system with token reserves. This allows for instant token swaps without any intermediaries, making trading faster, more accessible, and completely decentralized. Liquidity pools work by pairing two different tokens together. For example, you might have a pool containing Ethereum and a stablecoin. These two tokens sit together in a smart contract, maintaining a specific relationship between them. The pool uses automated market makers, or AMMs for short, to maintain a mathematical ratio between the tokens. This ratio determines the price at which tokens can be swapped. When someone trades, they're not trading with another person. They're trading directly with the pool itself. The magic behind automated market makers is a simple but powerful formula. X times Y equals K. This is called the constant product formula. Here, X represents the quantity of token A in the pool, and Y represents the quantity of token B. The letter K stands for a constant value. This constant must always remain the same, no matter how many trades happen. When someone buys token A from the pool, the quantity of token A decreases while token B increases. The formula automatically adjusts the price to keep K constant. This elegant mechanism ensures that prices reflect supply and demand without any human intervention. Now let's talk about the people who make liquidity pools possible: liquidity providers, or LPs. These are regular users who deposit token pairs into pools. To provide liquidity, you must deposit equal values of both tokens in the pair. For instance, if you want to provide liquidity to an Ethereum pool, you deposit $500 worth of Ethereum and $500 worth of USDC. In return for your deposit, you receive special LP tokens that represent your share of the pool. These tokens are like receipts proving your ownership. As a liquidity provider, you earn a portion of the trading fees generated every time someone uses your pool to swap tokens. The more you contribute to the pool, the larger your share of the fees. Providing liquidity comes with several attractive benefits. First, you can earn passive income through trading fees. Every trade that happens in the pool generates a small fee, and liquidity providers receive their proportional share of these fees. Second, many DeFi protocols offer additional reward programs, giving you bonus tokens as incentives for providing liquidity. Third, the entire process is decentralized, meaning no intermediaries or custodians control your funds. You maintain ownership through your LP tokens. Finally, these markets operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with no downtime. Trading never stops, which means fees keep accumulating around the clock. However, providing liquidity isn't without risks. The biggest risk is something called impermanent loss. This occurs when the price ratio between your two tokens changes significantly compared to when you deposited them. Let's say you deposited Ethereum and USDC when Ethereum was worth $1,000. If Ethereum's price doubles to $2,000, the automated rebalancing of the pool means you'll end up with less Ethereum and more USDC than you originally deposited. If you had simply held your tokens instead of providing liquidity, you would have made more profit. That difference is impermanent loss. It's called impermanent because if the price ratio returns to the original level, the loss disappears. However, once you withdraw your liquidity, any impermanent loss becomes permanent. The good news is that trading fees you earn may offset or even exceed this loss over time, but it's a risk that every liquidity provider must understand and consider. Let's recap the key points. Liquidity pools are the foundation that enables decentralized trading without traditional exchanges or order books. Automated market maker algorithms use mathematical formulas to automatically set token prices based on supply and demand. Liquidity providers deposit token pairs and earn trading fees as passive income, but they also face the risk of impermanent loss when token prices diverge. Before providing liquidity, it's crucial to balance the potential rewards against the risks. Understanding these concepts is essential for anyone looking to participate in DeFi. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video of our DeFi series.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.